Welcome to another video. In this video I'm showing how I make a wine box. These wine boxes became really popular 2-3 years ago with wedding parties and stuff like that. Put the wine bottle in there, put it in the wedding, have it closed in front of all the people, open it up after 5 years. 5 years is the 5-year anniversary is the wooden anniversary. So these wine boxes are 14 inches long by 5.5 by 5.5 and made out of pine. The lid is customizable, the front is customizable. Some people even do the bag. So this is just a blank, but unfortunately I had to discontinue these wine boxes a couple months ago because my sign making business is taking over. The demand got so much that I had to trim down my portfolio in order to keep up, and these boxes take a little bit longer to make for me, so it is just a smart thing to do to trim down what takes the longest and focus on the stuff that sells and is quick to make. So yeah, these wine boxes are no longer sold by me or only on special request, but here's a video how I made it. I shot this footage a couple months ago, never had time to post it, so yesterday I put it all together, thought might be nice to put it all together in a video and put it up here on YouTube. So you guys enjoy. If you like this kind of content, woodworking, please subscribe and hit the little bell. Yeah, that's about it. Until next time, peace.